Pressure washing your house siding can revitalize your home's exterior. To begin, attach the detergent nozzle to your pressure washer and apply Karcher's environmentally friendly exterior house cleaner detergent to a 6-foot wide section, working from the bottom up. Allow the detergent to soak for 3 to 5 minutes. Re-wetting is necessary to keep the detergent from drying on the surface. The detergent will break down any oils or surface film for more effective cleaning. For best results, attach Karcher's rotating wash brush and clean the section from the top down in a side-to-side motion. Be sure to rinse thoroughly as a final step. Attach the 40-degree nozzle and maintain a distance of at least 10 inches from glass or vinyl siding. For optimum results, always test a small, inconspicuous area before starting a cleaning project with your pressure washer.